Ezenwa went to buy some food, and this is what he came home with. Fresh okra. So it's time to cook. First, I need to get some meat from the diaspora freezer. I told you one time, everybody in diaspora is keeping this, a big freezer where you can have some meat that you bought at reduced price, maybe in a butchery near you. And anytime you want to cook some, you go with There's shaki, there's I don't know what is here. Bomo, there is cow tail. So let's cook. So the way we prepared this meat before we freeze it is we mixed it, like I said, different assorted meat. Oh, it's frozen, but we froze it in a way so it can easily enter the steaming pot. This is what we call fast food. You cook it with the steaming cover. Under, 20 minutes, the meat will be done. So I just need to go and cut the okra and do all the other ngongo rishi. I'm adding bouillon, maggi, and salt to boil the meat with small pepper to start with, so that the flavors will enter inside. Then I seal it and let it cook. And someone is gonna eat Ofe Okwuru for the first time today. Chucky, Madan. Are you already smelling the meat? Chai. If Brutus was here, do everything. Now the main job when cooking Ofe Okwuru is to cut the okra. And I know a lot of people put it inside blender, but Ezenwa doesn't like that one. So I'm gonna use my hands. And I know people are very explicit about how they want their okra to be cut. Some want it to be cut small. Others like it when it's big chunks, well cooked, or still somehow chewy. So I usually like to have a bit of everything. I cut some small to give it that drawing texture, and then some bigger ones to bite on, because I really enjoy the bigger ones as well. So the okra is cut, and I'm on my way to the diaspora freezer to look for azu. And I don't know if I should put okporoko or mangala, because I don't really like mangala. But let's see. Ezenwa likes that one too much. I'm gonna go with okporoko, and my favorite part of okporoko is actually the body. This. While people in Nigeria, they love the head. They say there's so much meat inside the head. So the head is actually, I don't know, is it the most expensive one? Me, I prefer this one for today. Ezenwa has to manage it. Next, we're gonna warm the red oil, put in onions. What else? Salt, crayfish, let that cook. Let's see. The crayfish, I usually check, things that are inside. Sometimes you find small ropes, small stone, many things, which can also make it tasty. But at least I don't want to eat. I don't know if you can see it. I just have to make sure that the food is okay. This really gives the flavor to the soup, so I'm gonna put enough. Meat is Almost done. It's ready to be added to the soup once that one's ready. Now I'm boiling the meat. Here we are. See, it's drawing. There's pieces. Also there. I know there. Same thing here.